Hello there, and welcome back to this YouTube series where I relearn Python and then teach it to you guys using examples. So today we are going to be learning about some Python basics, like the absolute basics. So we are going to be doing some data types, operators, and then variables. But first of all, let me teach you how to comment in Python. So for commenting in Python, all you have to do is the hash sign and then followed by the comment you want to put there. But if you want to create a multi-line comment, with that one you use three apostrophe. So it can be the double quote or it can be the single quote. So if I use the single quote three, then you can put whatever you want over there and it's going to be a comment. Now comments in Python do not run, so they don't execute and then print whatever is in it to the console. So it's just to give more info on the code. So maybe you want to give info about the code, then you put it there. So today we are learning we are learning Python. So you say I can move on to the next line and then it's still going to be a comment. And if I run it, you see it doesn't run. Nothing runs over here. So we're going to create our first application. And that first application, we're going to print hello world as usual. So print basically is just to print whatever you put within it to the console. So print hello, hello world. So if we run this, we're going to get hello world, which is here. So as you can see, hello world. Alright, so I've created some variables over here. So for Python, you don't need to declare the data type. You don't need to state the data type before the name of the variable and then assigning the value to it. So you just get the name of the variable and then you just assign it whatever. So whatever you assign it to, it will be the data type. So you can see the first one is name and it's been assigned a string value of John Doe. So if I print it, you're going to see John Doe in the console. And the second one is age, and it's been assigned an integer. So if I print it, you get to see the integer over here. And then if I print the student to that one too has been assigned a boolean value of true. So it prints true. Alright, then we'll also be doing some basic arithmetic operations. So you can see I've already write some code over here. So with the first one, addition result. So addition in Python is just like what is in mathematics. So it just adds 10 to 5. So if we print that value, we are going to be getting 15. If we print the value for the subtraction, we are going to get the results of 20 minus 8. So it moves on and on. With the power result, if you want to raise a value to some power, in Python, we use the double asterisk sign. So double asterisk and then it raises to the power. So 2 raised to the power 3, then it's going to assign that result to the power result. So I'm going to print some of the values and then you see the result. So with the addition result is 8.15. Then let me print the power result. The power result it prints 8 because 2 to the power 3 is 8. So we are also going to touch on the comparison operator. So in Python, if you want to compare two values to each other, if you want to compare whether they are equal to, use the double equal to sign, which is this over here. So 10 equal to 5. It's going to check whether 10 is equal to 5. And it's going to assign the value. So it's going to return a boolean value. So if it's true, it's going to return true. If it's false, it's going to return false. So over here, it's going to return false because 10 is not equal to 5. So it's going to give it to this variable over here. Then with the second one, if you want to check whether a value is not equal to a value, you bring an exclamation mark and then equal to. So that is not equal to. So with this, you end up getting the true because 20 is not equal to 8. So let's print it out and see. So if we print the s equal value, we should be getting false, which is this. And then if we print the s not equal to, we should be getting a true value, true statement. Alright, so then let's look at some logical operations here. Now it's just like in mathematics, three tables. True and true is true, true and false is false, false and true is also false, and then false and false is false. Then with the or statement, aside false or false, all of them is going to be equal to true. So let's look at this end result here. And with this end result, you can see true and false. So we should be getting a false statement. Yes, so you got a false here. Then if we print this or results, we are supposed to be getting a false statement because false or false is false. But if we change this to true, we should be getting a true statement because false or true is true. Alright, so I'm going to end the session over here. I'll be teaching the next session before uploading the code, and then I'll put the link in the description for the next video so you check it out. Thank you for watching.